Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Jump Force on Nintendo Switch. To begin, use the left analog stick to move your character and the right analog stick to control the camera. Battles involve defeating your opponent's three-character team. Before each match, you'll select your main fighter and 2 support characters from a roster of over 50 unique heroes and villains. Understanding these fundamentals is key to starting your journey. Mastering combat is crucial. Press the Y button for light attacks and the X button for heavy attacks, chaining them together for combos. Special abilities are activated by holding R and pressing A, B, X, or Y, while ultimate attacks require a full ability gauge and a specific input. Remember to guard with L and dodge with ZR to defend against incoming damage and create openings for your own offense. Forming a strong 3-character team is essential for victory. During battle, you can switch between your main fighter and support characters using the ZL button, allowing for strategic tag-ins. Your support characters can also perform assist attacks by pressing L and A, B, X, or Y when their gauge is full. When your awakening gauge is maxed, press the right analog stick to temporarily boost your stats and unleash devastating power. To truly excel, practice linking your attacks into longer, more damaging combos. Each character has unique strengths and weaknesses, so learn which fighters complement your playstyle and counter your opponents. Pay attention to the battle arena. Some stages feature environmental hazards that can be used to your advantage or disadvantage. Continuously refining these strategies will elevate your gameplay to the next level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.